Okay, so we're waiting for the hurricane here in Mazatlán.
Hola.
Hola. Yeah, waiting for the hurricane. Oh my God. I had a siesta for an hour, and they're telling me there was some thunder and lightning, and it's certainly raining. Very different than waiting for a storm in Canada. In Canada, you batten down the hatches, you get your snow shovels out, you get your skis out, you get your tractor out, you get whatever you need out to deal with the snow. You won't have to shovel this in the morning. It'll look after itself. But everybody's having a lunch. It's 11:30 at night. We keep very different hours here in Mexico than you do in Canada. It's a different world. Anyway, waiting for Hurricane K in Mazatlán, Mexico. Oh, you don't get your shovel out. You can get your sneakers and your mop out. You do what you gotta do.